Good night. Hello, friends. Today I will talk about a news that worries the world is about the coronavirus. Welcome to Instant News by John Jairo Quijo Torres. The coronavirus, what science have learned so far. A respiratory virus that originates in China has infected 10 of the thousands of the people and has spread to other countries. A novel respiratory virus that originated in Wuhan, China, has spread quickly throughout the country and to dozens other nations, leaving many experts to fear a pandemic might be on the way. So far, most of those infected with the virus have been in China. Most of the deaths have been treated as well. But the World Health Organization and the United States have declared public health emergencies because of the virus spread and both have offered China technical assistance y expertise to investigation and contain the outbreak. The coronavirus live update saw Korea raise three alert levels. The move empowered the government to lock down cities as Italy imposed its own regional lockdown and case rise in Iran. The move will empower the government to lock down cities, bar visitors from China, and unilaterally restrict the movement of the people. Thank you. Goodbye.